Today I am going to do something interesting to my hair. Have you guys ever tried using body butter for your hair as like a hair mask or a hair moisturizer? Welcome to another episode here on Grow and Glow. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys a couple of products I got from a brand called Pure Effect Organics. They are a natural hair and skin company that creates products that are free of paraben, free of animal byproducts, petroleum, harmful colorants, detergents, artificial fragrances, and other harmful chemicals. And they sent me this cute little box with, dun-dun-dun, I'll show you, their turmeric oat soap bar with a cute little soap tray, as well as a whipped body butter. Have you guys ever used body butter for your hair? The reason why I asked for this product is because I was looking on their website and I saw a review for this whipped body butter from somebody saying that she used it as a hair mask, a hair moisturizer, and that it worked wonders. So I'm gonna try this on camera right now with you guys and let's see the results. Now, I've never done this before. I don't know, whether it's supposed to be for your entire head, like scalp to ends, or if it's just supposed to be for your ends and your hair, but not your scalp. So I looked on the internet to find out how to use body butter for your hair. And I found this really great website. I'll put a link down below so that you can take a look and see what types of butters are good for what types of hair, as well as how to apply them to get your desired results. And don't forget, guys, if you love natural wellness beauty products like I do, and you'd like to discover more options, you can always check out my other videos, my other reviews, and see what else I use for my hair, skin, and nails, and just my overall health. Okay, so back to this body butter. So this one has coconut, mango, and shea butter, which are all fantastic, so full of nutrients, so good for hair and skin. And this website that I'm looking at says that coconut butter is great for keeping your hair soft and moisturized. This Texas summer and sun has really been doing a number on my hair. It's like always so dry, super frizzy. I mean, I have a lot of flyaways, a lot of baby hairs, and it is just out of control this season. So the method that they are saying that you can use for something like this is to put it all through your hair, tie it up in a loose bun, put a shower cap on, and then rinse your hair out afterwards. All right, so let's try this out. I've got my hair tie and a shower cap. Let me just take my rings off real quick. All right, I've got my body butter, and I really should use a spatula for this because I don't like putting my fingers in directly. So as you can see, it's really nice and melty. It melts right on contact and feels really smooth, so soft. Okay, is this how you do it? You just kind of like put it through? My hair needs to be washed so bad right now. This is like 3-day-old hair. Let's just keep on going. I'm guessing you're gonna wanna massage it into your scalp like this. I always get nervous about doing this kind of thing to my scalp though, because I'm afraid that it's gonna get super oily. Whoa, okay, stop for a minute. So that thing I was doing, putting that body butter all in my hair, don't do that. I left the shower cap on for an hour, and afterwards I hopped into the shower, washed my hair, and Lord, I looked like a oily mess for like almost an entire week straight. Like, no amount of washing could help me. I just had so much product in my hair. It was so heavy and oily. I obviously did it wrong. So I emailed the team at Perfect Organics and I was like, I don't know what I did. I thought I was doing it right based on some of the blogs that I read, and girls, this is just not working for me. So they sent me a little tip along with a link to a different blog saying that that might help. This is what I did instead. So I tied my hair into a high pony like so, just like that. And then with the body butter, only used a dime size amount, which is significantly less than what I used the first go round. So I just took that, put it on my palm, gave it a nice rub and let it start to melt, and then ran it through the length of my hair, including the ends, and then all I did was put it in a little bun, like so, secure that with my spin pins, slept like this overnight, and then this morning I took a shower, washed my hair just like normal with shampoo, and then I did use less conditioner, and I just let my hair air dry, and this is how it turned out. I do feel like my hair feels softer and more lush after using the body butter overnight in my hair, which I'm really pleased about. And since it's a little frizzy right now, just from the air drying, I will take some hair oil and just a small dab of that will do. I'll run that through my hair just so I can give it a little shine. I love this hair oil, by the way. It's the sage hair oil I got this summer, and it smells spearminty and just really fresh. And there we go. That's my hair. I really like it. It feels soft. It feels like revitalized. I feel like it looks good. I am liking it. So yeah, don't do what I did and douse your hair with body butter. Not a good look. It takes a long time for it to finally strip away. Just a dime size amount. Let it melt a little bit in your palms. Run it through your hair. Put it up, and then either a few hours or overnight. The next morning you wash it and it looks wonderful. So Perfect Organics, thank you so much for sending me the soap and the body butter. I've actually been using the soap religiously every day. I really enjoy it. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, it's unscented, has oat and honey and turmeric, and so it's nice on your skin. So thank you so much, Perfect Organics, for sending me these two items. I really enjoyed trying them out and testing them. I love that you guys are a natural and clean beauty brand. I love to see these kinds of brands getting recognition and flourishing. So if you guys are interested in trying their products, then check out my link below for their website, and I have a promo code that you can use as well. If you do decide to check them out and try their products, do let me know. I'd love to know your experience with Perfect Organics as well. You can check out more of my clean and green beauty and wellness product reviews right here on my YouTube channel. So go ahead and like this video and subscribe. You can also check out more of these reviews over on my blog, where I also write about intentional living and share some of my favorite easy recipes. So go check it out at growwithjen.com. Keep on growing and glowing. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!